this road is a road that has a bike path over here on the left, but I hardly ever use it because this road is maybe a quarter to a half mile long with these little speed humps, but it's a little used road. With a bunch of condos on either side. Coincidentally, it's called Songbird Road with these bird name lanes off from it. Rather pleasant. I like this one. But I just don't really see the need to get onto the bike path. Lots of songbirds around too. Cars, the most I've ever seen on this road. And here, where it is on the left side again, I actually turn right here. No need to get on that little bike path.